In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI in Shopify. This is a simple workflow that helps you create a better product description by generating text based on the information you provide. You will be doing everything inside your Shopify admin, so you do not need any extra tools or complicated setup. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Use your usual login method and make sure you land in the main dashboard area where you can access the menus on the left side. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the admin interface and not the storefront. This matters because the features you need are only available in the admin tools. Next, click Products in the left sidebar menu. This opens the section where you manage everything related to your items for sale. On screen, you will typically see options related to product listings, product drafts, and product pages. Click it once and wait for the products page to load completely so you can clearly see your product list. Now select an existing product or click Add Product if you are creating something new. If you already have a product that needs a stronger description, choose it from the list. If you are starting fresh, choose Add Product and prepare to enter the basic product information. Either way, you should now be looking at the product editor page where you can edit fields like the description and features. After that, locate the description box and find the Generate Text icon inside the toolbar. This icon is represented by purple sparkles, so it should stand out. Look closely at the Formatting or Tools row above or within the description field and find the purple sparkle symbol. This is the control that triggers the AI generation for your text. Next, type your product features into the Features or Keywords box. This step is where you guide the AI. Write the most important points about your product, such as key attributes, materials, benefits, or any specific details that you want included. Keep the wording clear and practical, because the AI will use your features as the basis for the generated description. Once you have entered your product features, click Generate. After you do this, Shopify will produce a description based on the information you provided. Give it a moment to load the generated text. When it finishes, you should see the description field updated or a suggested description inserted so you can review it. Now, click Keep to apply the generated description. This step is important because it confirms that you want to use the AI text rather than discarding it. By selecting Keep, you are effectively replacing or filling the description field with the suggested copy from the AI. At this point, take a quick look to ensure the description fits your product and matches your tone. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. Saving ensures that your changes are not lost and that the updated description is stored in your product record. Before you finish, it is a good idea to confirm that you are clicking the Save button for the product page you are editing. After saving, you can close the editor or continue refining other product fields if needed. And that covers everything you need to know. By following these steps, you can use AI in Shopify to generate product descriptions faster, while still controlling the content through the features and keywords you provide. And that is all there is to it.